Can you be arrested for DUI if you weren't actually driving? You'd be surprised how often it happens. Today, we're talking about the no driving defense. Most people think you can only be charged with DUI if you were caught behind the wheel. But in California, you can be arrested even if the officer never saw you driving. That's where the no driving defense comes in and can be a powerful strategy in the right case. In DUI cases, the prosecution must prove that you were driving the vehicle while impaired. If no one saw you drive, and there's no clear evidence like surveillance video, witnesses, or your admissions, the prosecutor may have a hard time proving the case beyond a reasonable doubt. Key evidence that can help you includes no witnesses to driving, car legally parked, engine off or cold, no signs of recent driving, and no admissions by you made to the police. We often see this defense in cases where someone is found sleeping in their car, pulled over on the side of the road, or parked in a parking lot. If the officer didn't witness you driving and there's no other strong evidence, we may be able to challenge the entire DUI charge. The number one thing that screws up this defense is a person's admission to the police officer that they were driving. So technically no one saw you driving, but you telling the officer that you did drive is all the evidence the prosecutor needs to put you behind the wheel. However, sometimes a person's statement is ambiguous, meaning maybe the person said they were driving, but at an earlier time prior to the drinking. In many cases, officers don't do a good job of identifying when the driving occurred, so this may still allow you to argue a no driving defense if the facts are right. We've successfully defended DUI cases using the no driving defense. Every court handles these cases differently and local experience matters. We know the judges, the prosecutors, and what works in your jurisdiction. If you've been charged with DUI but weren't actually driving, call Tiemann Defense at 916-939-3900. We offer free consultations and can review whether the no driving defense applies in your case.